I had an epiphany this morning. I was going to order some more of those mushroom lamps for my friends in Mexico. They asked me to bring some. And I walked right by an electronics market yesterday, so I'm going to go back there and see if they can source them for me. I'll just buy a handful while I'm here. I don't have to have them shipped. I can't check them because they have lithium batteries. I can't check them at the airport when I go home. I have to carry them on. So I'll only bring a handful back. Maybe I'll bring an extra one and give one away. But it's another gorgeous day today. Another gorgeous day. And this is the clothes section. So Guangzhou, you can source all these stores. They're wholesalers. These are not, you're not going to walk in and buy one of these things. They're going to want to sell you 1,000 of these shirts or 100 of these hats or whatever they're selling. So the people that I'm going to be talking to about these lamps, they're probably not going to want to sell me just a handful, but we'll see what I can do. Now, if every time I come here I go a different way, and I'm really starting to get to know these neighborhoods, you know, for somebody who's been here less than a week, not bad. So if I'm correct, I will come up to one of the side entrances of that park I was in yesterday that had that decibel meter. And if I go through the park, it will take me back to the electronics stores. So you can see how small these spaces are. You know, this is obviously an empty space. So imagine being trapped in this thing all day, especially if you've got it full of product. Like if we go to the next store right here. Well, they don't have a ton of product. They've got a loft up there. So you see they've got coats. So 200 yuan for a coat. Now I'm not saying they won't sell you one, because I go into these places, and being a foreigner, the advantage is, you know, they know you don't know what's going on in most cases. And so you can pretty much get away with a lot more than if you were a Chinese person. All right, I'm going to sign off here.